Alright guys, let's just get right into it. Yo, what's up fam? PS5, finally got it. It literally took so long for me to get it. Like, I've been trying since the release. I've been following like Twitter accounts, everything. Like, it's been so crazy. But I finally got it. Best Buy ended up having a sale at I think 9 a.m. I was awake and everything, but I wasn't able to get it at that time until like way later. So I ended up just getting the disc version because I figured over time the PS5 game prices are gonna end up like increasing. Like some games are now $70, so I figured why not get the disc version so you can at least buy like used games for cheaper instead of like always having to pay full price. Here we go, finally. Take this off. No. I'm taking forever, I'm sorry. Alright. Alright, finally, first box out. I'm assuming these are like ports and everything. So, quick start guide. Don't need. I've never had PS5 before, so this is my first time. This is the swivel for the base of the PS5. HDMI 2.1, perfect. And the controller. So, if you can see a controller, it actually feels mad nice. The button feels like really clicky. I'm loving it. So that's it. Time for the actual console now. Nice. Bro, I swear this is like 20 pounds. Ooh. Here it is. Ooh. It's actually 20 pounds. So it looks like it has a USB-C and a regular USB port, HDMI, internet, 2 more USB ports. Nice. And power. And I guess I can attach the base. And then I can show you guys where I'm gonna end up putting it. I end up buying a brand new OLED TV just so I can have the full experience because it's gonna be able to go up to 120 Hertz as well as 4K. And I want the OLED to just make everything just pop perfectly. So the base right here, I guess you can attach it anywhere. I'm not really sure. Let's see. I see. So you can just attach it anywhere, and it's just gonna hold the PS5 up, and it's gonna just make it more aerodynamic instead of just, and it's just gonna make it look better instead of just toppling over at the side. Especially since you have the disc version, it's gonna have more weight on this left side here. Yeah, this is a beautiful console. I honestly can't wait to turn it on. So this is the awesome TV that I decided to get for the PS5. It's actually an LG 65-inch OLED. I figured this is just going to be the best way for me to get the most amazing experience from the PS5 because this TV supports 4K, it's OLED, and it also has HDMI 2.1, so I'm going to be able to get 120 hertz. So I'm going to be able to get 120 hertz clocked in when I play the PS5. The spot that I'm going to be putting it is going to be right here. It's going to look absolutely beautiful and blend right in. Fits perfectly. Alright peeps, I was just super excited, so I had to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.